Hi friends, welcome to my fluid art channel. It's Susie. I have right here a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I want to do a straight pour on it. And these are the colors. I have the green blue by Artist Loft. It's a metallic color, and this is also by Folk Art, and it's lime green. This is Magenta by Amsterdam, and this is Liquitex Ultramarine Blue. This is Sky Blue by Master's Touch. This is the Deep Purple by Amsterdam, Gold by decoart, and then I have two pigments. Oh God, what is it called? Let me see. I've got them written down right here. I've got Unicorn and Enchantment. This one's Unicorn, and this one's the Enchantment. So there's a little bit of enchantment left. So I'm going to start with layering the cup, and then I'll put a puddle down. I have a black puddle that I was going to use. Let's see here. I just have to get a cup for pouring. This will work pretty good. All right, so I'm going to start with a teeny tiny bit of white. And I mean just a real small amount. Then I want to put a little bit of this yellow. Forgot to show you, I do have this yellow here. It's just regular primary yellow by Amsterdam. Oops, it might have been sitting too long. And get it to come out, then we can use it. I guess it's stuck. There, now it should come out. I just wanted to put a little bit of that, and then tiny little bit of the gold. So a little bit of that too. And then I want to put some of this unicorn. It's a beautiful pigment. And a little bit of this enchantment also. These are going to be coming out last, so I'm going to have to get some help with this. There's just a little bit of this one pigment left, so I just want to go ahead and put it in here. It doesn't go to waste. There. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the magenta and some of this green. And then I haven't put any of the pearl mix in yet. Pearl mix. And whoa, I don't want this pearl mix to get on this thing. A little bit of the purple. Next, some of the ultramarine blue. And then some of the gold. Then I'll put some of this sky blue by Master's Touch. This is some of the lime green. And then we got some of this magenta again. Now I'm going to put a little bit more of this pearl mix. And then a little bit of this dark green. A little bit of the purple. A little bit of the blue. Oh, that's a lot. And then, do I have any of the, some of this blue, the marine blue. And then some of this. Wow, it's pretty. I like this one. Down here, Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So pretty. With those little fingerlings there. And here, oh God, so colorful. Check it out. We got sails. Look at here. Got sails here. And it's sparkly as anything. Oh, look at that. Look, it's going down. It's so sparkly everywhere. You can really see those pigments. The lavender color and the light green and the unicorn. So pretty. Wow.